Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the things that I have got for my Young Living Essential Rewards for the month of June, July, and August. So if this is something interesting to you, please keep on watching. Start off with my June Essential Rewards. I got 6 oils, 5 of which I have paid, and the last oil or the 6th oil is my Loyalty Essential Oil from Young Living. So basically, hindi siya available sa catalog because you can only get Loyalty Oil pag nag-sign up ka with Essential Rewards and you're an active member for a year. So on your anniversary, you get this oil. So to name a few oils, part of the blend would be rose, sacred sandalwood, lavender, angelica, melissa, peppermint, geranium, ilang-ilang, and cardamom. So most of the oils in this blend are pretty expensive oils. So talagang ano siya, rewarding talaga tong oil na to. And if you're gonna smell, calming and grounding at the same time. Plus, ano siya, yung alam mong amoy mayaman, amoy pang mayaman, parang ganon. Ganon yung scent niya. So, there. I want to use this in my diffuser necklace. Or maybe I will diffuse it mga 5 to 6 drops in my diffuser. Para lang matipid ko siya. Maybe the next time that I'll get this, maybe after a year again. So, kailangan natin siyang tipirin. So, it comes with a pouch and the loyalty card. To purpose, to purity, to you. So, yeah. So, for the next oil that I got is pine. Pine is nice to diffuse if you are feeling sisipunin ka or parang may cough. This is nice together with lemon. I also got lemon. Next would be citrus fresh. Of course, the house favorite, lavender. We love to diffuse lavender together with cedarwood and a little bit of frankincense for a good night's sleep. And lastly, thyme. Thyme is also nice to diffuse pag may inuubo sa amin dito sa house, or we also apply it sa back and sa chest area kung parang iubuhin kami or meron kaming ubo that we want to expel the mucus. Plus, lime is also nice for your hair serum together with cedarwood to promote hair growth. So, for my July Essential Rewards, I also got the Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. So, it comes with 3 siya na tiny bottles. So, the first bottle is already in my purse. And then, this will be left in the car. And this one will go to Audrey's diaper bag. Yan siya. Mabango siya. And hindi siya malagkit. Unlike any other hand sanitizer na may after-lagkit sa hands. And I really like it kasi may amoy na amoy yung peppermint oil. So it also energizes you after using because peppermint is actually an energizing oil. And I also got a 15 ml lemon essential oil. Audrey's favorite, Kids Scent Sleepies. I diffuse Sleepies plus lavender. Grabe. As in 10 to 15 minutes, super antok na kaming tatlo. And I also got my orange. I like to use orange together with my Thieves toothpaste. It helps whiten the teeth. Plus ano siya, walang aftertaste and ang bango niya. There. And I also got our lavender oatmeal. Maybe in a separate video, I'm gonna share with you guys how we battle hives or chronic hives ni Francis using essential oils, vitamin D3, and of course, this lavender oatmeal soap of Young Living. And I also got, well, this is not part of Essential Rewards, but I got it as a quick order when they have launched this owl diffuser. So of course, kumuha ko for Audrey. And it comes with a 5 ml lavender essential oil there. Alright, so for August Essential Rewards, unbox natin siya. Na-receive ko na to nung Monday pa, but tiniis kong wag muna i-open because I really want to share with you guys all the things that I got from June until August. Open natin. Open natin all together. So the first item that I got is my Thieves dishwashing soap or dish soap in fresh citrus scent. I was gifted by my cousin a bottle of this. Then ginamit ko siya pang clean ng baby bottles ni Audrey because for the longest time, I've been using a commercial brand to clean her baby bottles and unfortunately, nagli-leave ng residue and parang may naiiwan na scent nung dish soap doon sa baby bottle. Of course, I don't want to feed my daughter na parang feeling mo na naaamoy or nalalasahan niya yung soap. So, when I use this one, surprisingly, nawala yung ganung amoy and matipid siya. Because this bottle, you can divide it into 3 more. You can make 3 more of these because super diluted to. So, super concentrated rather. So, all you need is to dilute this one and with this 12 fluid ounce, you can make additional 2 more. And mabula pa rin talaga siya. And again, I also got lavender oatmeal because Francis and Audrey and I love to use this soap. It is highly moisturizing. Plus, mabilis mawala yung mga insect bite marks, especially kay Audrey. Kasi pag kinagat si Audrey ng mga insects or bugs, nag-aano talaga yung, para bang nagsusugat yung sa skin niya. And with this soap, nagle-lessen, it's mabilis yung healing time din. And I also got Kid Scents Sniffle Ease, also a must-have in the house. Mag-sneeze lang si Audrey or anyone, myself or Francis, automatically magdi-diffuse na kami yan kaagad. And last but of course, definitely not the least, is my Thieves Vitality Essential Oil. So I love to diffuse this. It's part of our daily routine. It's part of our daily regimen that we apply diluted Thieves together with frankincense, tea tree, and lemon sa sole ng feet namin for our immune boosting blend. So there. So guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you like it as much as I do. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you will be notified if I do have new videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!